them smiling on your face, but deep inside a different story. Walk with you when not the sunshine gone, when times get stormy. Them pretend like loyalty, living at them heart, but jealousy they hiding at the shadows from the start. Energy shift when you're rising, them vex when you elevate. Them laugh with you today, but tomorrow them a fabricate. True colors always show when pressure start apply. So keep your eyes open, not get caught by the lie. Watch your friend them, keep your circle small and clean. Some move with bad intentions, though them act like them serene. Some will eat and drink with you, smile and play it cool, but behind your back them diss you like you're born for be them fool. Stay guarded, stay conscious, no follow no pretense. Only real ones stand firm when life gets intense. Me notice envy rise when blessings start unfold. Them spirit get corrupted, them hearts start feel cold. Act like them support you, but them hope to see you fall. Quick for run, go chat your name, gossip start install. Me see the switch up coming, me intuition never wrong. The ones me used to reason with now beat me like no song. Life teach me lessons about the company you keep. Not every man who laugh with you and sow the seed for reap. Watch your friend them, keep your circle small and clean. Some move with bad intentions, though them act like them serene. Some will eat and drink with you, smile and play it cool, but behind your back them diss you like you're born for be them fools. Stay guarded, stay conscious, no follow no pretense. Only real ones stand firm when life gets intense. Some only there beside you when the vibes feel light, but when struggle come round, them spirit take flight. Them love the celebration, but them absent in pain. Them link you in the sunshine, never once in the rain. Them take your kindness for weakness, try manipulate your soul, but Jah guide the righteous, every secret he control. But learn to read energy, words alone can't convince. Trust no man too quick, me I tell you ever since. Watch your friend them, keep your circle small and clean. Some move with bad intentions, though them act like them serene. Some will eat and drink with you, smile and play it cool, but behind your back them diss you like you're born for be them fools. Stay guarded, stay conscious, no follow no pretense. Only real ones stand firm when life gets intense. Real friends stand strong, them never switch or pretend. Them celebrate your progress, them want see you ascend. But fake ones move silent, them linger like a ghost. Them clap when you're failing, but envy you the most. I'ma keep my heart protected, my spirit fortified. My walk with your guidance, truth always by my side. My cleanse my space,